Again I am ready with the question number 2. As earlier I told you that chapter 1 is very important for 10th standard student because it contains so many important questions. So many questions were asked from this chapter. Earlier as I discussed that Euclid's division method to find HCF that we did in last video, that they are asking for basic who have choose basic maths for 2 or 3 marks, as well as for students who have taken standard maths, they are asking that method for 2 marks. Today we are discussing another one important question. Again board is asking the same question to find odd numbers, integers. So here we will begin our process. So here we are ready with exercise 1.1, question number 2 of textbook, which is saying that show that any positive odd integer is the form of 2q plus 1 where q is an integer. Actually this is not the same question from textbook. The question from the textbook is show that any positive odd integer is the form of 6q plus 1 and 6q plus 3, but that we will see later on, because first we will start with basic question, which is this one. This is given in example. So here we will discuss. Here we have to prove that 2q plus 1 is odd number. So how we will prove? So first we will remember our Euclid division lemma, which is A is equals to BQ plus R, and it having condition as 0 is less than and equals to R is less than B. So this is our Euclid's division lemma. We will use this lemma, but here on the place of B, now we will substitute number from our question. Suppose here in a question 2q is given, means value of B is 2. Suppose here in question 4q is given, so value of B will be 4, and suppose the question is in the form of 6q, so our value of B is 6. So if we are substituting, A is equals to, here is 2q, so here we are writing the value as 2q plus R, comma, when we are writing on the place of B as 2, so we got value of R as 0 and 1, not more than 1, because here clearly said that the value of R is equals to 0 and less than B, means B is 2, यानी 2 से स्मॉलर वैल्यू होगी और 0 से इक्वल होगी, यानी 2 से स्मॉलर होगा 1 और 0 से इक्वल. Here we are getting two values, R is equals to 0 and 1. So now here we will beginning our process. We will take this condition, that is A is equals to 2q plus R. Now on the place of R we have to write 0. So here again I am writing that when we are taking R is equals to 0, our condition is looking like A is equals to 2q plus, on the place of R here we have to write 0. So simply A we got as 2q. We will make it highlight. Now another value we having as 1, so on R is equals to 1, and when we are substituting in this condition, means our condition is A is equals to 2q plus R. But as I told you, we having value of R is 1, so here we will not write as R, but on the place of R we will write 1. So simply I can say that here second condition we got A is equals to 2q plus 1. So here by myself I will discuss this one is even, and I will tell you that this one is odd. So now student will ask me, how you directly told us that 2q is even and 2q plus 1 is odd. So here I simply can tell you that when you are dividing with B, means 2, this will cut it out and the value of q will remain over here. But if you are dividing it with 2, it cannot divide because it is in the form of addition, so you cannot divide this 2. So simply the number from which we can divide, that number is even, and if we can't divide, that number is odd. So we not have to show this process, but by ourselves we understood that we can divide it by b, means rb is 2, so we simply divide it, so that's why this number is even, and we cannot divide, so this number is odd. So in a question they ask us, show that any positive or odd integer is of the form 2q plus 1. So we have shown that 2q plus 1 is odd and 2q is even. So here we can write as answer that 2q plus 1 is odd integer. So this was the process in which you can prove that whatever given number is odd or even. But now I will show you our main question, which is from our textbook. So here you can see our main question 2. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1, 6 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. So here we are beginning our process. As I told you, first we will write our Euclid division lemma, which is a is equals to bq plus r, and the condition is 0 is less than or equals to r is less than b. As I told you that we will check the question that is given as 6, so our value of b is 6. So we will substitute that a is equals to 6q plus r, and 0 is less than and equals to r is less than 6. So we substituted. Here we got value of r which is equals to 0 but less than 6. So values of r we got as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We cannot take that 6 because our limit is 6. Up to 6 we can take, means smaller than 6 we have to take. So number wise we will take, first if we are taking r equals to 0 and if we are substituting in that condition, so if we are writing a is equals to 6q and on the place of r here we have to write 0. So we got value of a is equals to 6q. We will make it highlight. Now second we will substitute value of r as 1. So when we are taking r as 1, we got a is equals to 6q plus 1. Now we will make it highlight. Then here again when we are taking r equals to 2, the value of a is equals to 6q plus 2. Again we will make it highlight. Now here we will take r equals to 3. So our condition we can get that is a is equals to 6q plus 3. And here when we are taking r equals to 4, a is equals to 6q plus 4. And the last one, there we can see that r having value as 5. So if we are substituting r equals to 5, we are getting a is equals to 6q plus 5. So here the simple thing we have to find out, that we have to prove that 6q plus 1 is odd, 6q plus 3 is also odd, and 6q plus 5 is also odd. So very simple thing I can tell you that when you are dividing it with b, yani 6 ones are 6, it is dividing, it means this number is even. So when you are getting first number as even, so second one, because here is 1, so that number could be odd, and simply this one is even. Simply plus 3 is odd, plus 4 means even, and this one is odd. So we will again read the question what they have asked. They have asked us to find odd numbers, and odd numbers are 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5. So as you can see from the board, this whole process, that these numbers are odd or even. If they have asked you find out even numbers, So you have to mention even numbers. But they ask us to find out odd numbers. So in answer we will write that 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 are odd numbers. So again some students may have inquiry that how we have proved that 6q plus 4 is even. So in a rough work, so here our question ends. Here one more question I would like to give you for solution. So you can check in the next slide that what you have to solve by yourself. Some question for that Euclid division, long division method, in which you have to find HCF, and one more question from this that show that any positive odd integer is form of something that I am giving you, that you have to solve it by yourself. Have a nice day. So here are some extra questions which are for practice. So here is question 1, 2 and 3 that you have to solve by yourself with the help of exercise 1.1 question 1. You have to use Euclid division algorithm to solve this question, and you have to find HCF. And for this process you can check my further videos, so it will easier for you.